Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Swapfone 500 USDS giveaway. I have not started mining this. Link in the video description. They are currently doing a giveaway, and also the mainnet launch has been officially confirmed. We are going to look at their latest update. But before we dive in full, if you like to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Also join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value content. So over here they made this update. They say Swapfone has surpassed 500k users in 14 days, and for that effect they are doing giveaway. They say we are trying to mark this incredible growth and significant achievement as one of the fastest rising SaaS platform in the crypto space. This is just the beginning. Worldwide adoption is coming. Stick with USDS. Now to celebrate we are giving away 500 USDS to 10 users. Just answer in the comment how many coins are now listed on Swapfone. The only coins that are listed on Swapfone is the CPEN. They listed CPEN like 5 days ago, and the grass. That's the only two coins that is already listed in CPEN, and including their USDS, which is their token. So currently the only two coins listed here is CPEN and grass. Just go to the comment section and type it, and you are qualified to receive this 500 USDS coin. So this is how the Swapfone mining looks like. So what you are going to do is you mine every 24 hours to receive USDS. You click on this claim, and automatically you're going to receive 24 USDS for every 24 hours. Going to the wallet section here, you will now see the coins that are being listed, and by then you can now check. This is the coins that are listed. Wow, they gave me grass. So I've received the 10 grass they are giving, and this 10 grass is currently 6.69 USDT, and the CPEN, I didn't receive the CPEN. And also this giveaway, they are giving 500. If you qualify, you are going to receive it here on your wallet. So the two coin that is listed here, like I said, is CPEN and grass. So these are the two coins that are listed. Go and comment on the comment section, and you are going to be rewarded with 500 USDS. So that is basically. Other coins will be listed here. As you can see, they will list Binance, they will list Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Repo, Solana, Tether, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Swapfone. This is what they can list. And right now that I have received this grass, there is nothing I can do with this grass for now, because the withdrawal option is not yet activated. If you go here, you can now see withdraw. So withdrawal is not activated right now, but this grass you can as well. So go and start mining and be accumulating. Very soon the mainnet will be launched. For you to check the mainnet launch date, you click on your profile here. You see your profile, you can now see their white paper. You click on the white paper. Now let's check when this token will be launched. Now this is their roadmap. Q3 2025 mining close, then mainnet launch, which is this May, and withdrawal open. So this Q3, we are still in Q3. By October, November, this mainnet will be launched, and Q4 launch stake features logpad and all that. So you still have time to start mining this project. Link in the video description. It's not difficult to mine. If you click on the marketplace, this is where you can buy and sell different coin. Let's assume you want to sell your grass, but it's not withdrawable. Now you click on it. Now this is on buy. What we are going to do is you can see the price of grass now 0.6. You click on sell. Now you put the quantity, it's just 10. You tap 10 here. Now you scroll down. They said available USDT this, so you click on sell, but you are not going to sell it because the withdrawal is not open. So once you click on sell, now this is Swapfone for sale, so successful. I have swapped it to USDS. That is what you can do. You can swap it to your USDS. So that is basically what you can. I've added it. I have two before. I have added this to this, and I've received it as a USDS. So other tokens that they will launch here, you can as well do that. You can say I don't have any grass here. So this is what you can do. You can convert your other tokens to USDS for now. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.